Hi guys, Pooja here. From today I'm going to add a new segment, different videos, small topics of English grammar. Many parents, my friends keep asking me, ki, how come your kids know English so nicely? How come they do so well? How do you teach them? You know, how is it done? What do you do? Which books you get? Well, basically, I just think your English is good or any language is good if your basics are clear. So, if your basics are clear, then you can work on it, you can do better on it. You can, if your foundation is strong, you can have a very strong building. So, and I find the foundation or the basic grammar is very weak in kids, and poor thing, without making them understand or without they understanding anything what's happening, parents and teachers, we keep pushing them to understand bigger concept, letter writing, email writing, diary writing, direct, indirect, and I don't know what not. So I think this is a small start. So this is a question for or a class for kids. The parents are most welcome to join in. Now the first topic I'll be taking is prepositions. As you can understand, and please try and understand. Please be very sure of the concept. It's very easy. You have to just be friends. They are your friends. English, don't make it something very difficult. It's a beautiful language and it's very easy. Okay, so the first step is I've added a first is preposition. Please try and understand what is the meaning of preposition. When they say position, means they are asking you what is the position of that thing. There is answer or a clue in the question itself. What is a preposition? It is a position. आपकी पोजीशन उस चीज़ से क्या है और कहाँ है. अगर मैं हिंदी में ये बताऊँ तो अगर कोई पूछे प्रपोजिशन क्या है, पहले तो डरना नहीं है, उस क्वेश्चन में ही उसका आंसर है. वो पूछ रहे हैं जैसे आप घर के अभी अंदर हो, ये आप अगर मैं आपको हिंदी में पूछूँ आप घर के बाहर हो या अंदर हो, तो आप बोलोगे मैं अंदर हूँ. तो ये अंदर, बाहर, ऊपर, नीचे, यही आपकी पोजीशन है. दिस इज preposition. So similarly, if I have to explain where are you, so I am in the house, I am outside the house, the ball is on the table, below the table, under the tree, beside the tree, between the trees. These are all talking about the position of the stuff we are talking about, or the noun, or the person. So it can be a ball, it can be a boy, it can be a woman, anything. Where is she standing? So you have to just look at the picture and say कि she is standing under the tree or she is inside the house. So to make it more clear, I have made a few simple diagrams. Please excuse my drawing and I'm just showing it to make you make the concept more easy. Okay, we'll try and make the concept more clear. This is supposed to be a tree and a ball. The ball is in front of the tree first. This ball is between the two trees. This ball is beside the tree. Let me take a pen. I've tried to draw this ball behind the tree. So are you getting clear? In front, between, beside, behind. Okay. This ball is under the table. It is on the table or above the table. The bird is inside the house. So basically now I hope you have got the concept of preposition. So I hope you have liked the concept and understood it. So if you all have liked it, please let me know so I can accordingly add more chapters to them. Thank you so much. Let's talk some other time. Till then, try and see as many as prepositions as you can in the house. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye.